Hello everyone. Our topic for today is classification of bones. We will take an overview of classification of bones and study mainly classification of bones according to shape. Classification of bones. There are four types of classification of bones on the basis of shape, developmental classification, regional classification and structural classification. Okay. Classification on the basis of shapes has 7 types of shapes: long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, pneumatic bones, sesamoid bones, and accessory bones. On the basis of developmental classification, there are further 5 types of bone: membrane, cartilaginous bone, membranocartilaginous bones, somatic bones, and visceral bones. On the basis of regional classification, there are further 2 types: axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. On the basis of structural classification, there are further 2 types: macroscopically and microscopically. Macroscopically includes compact bones and cancellous bones. Microscopically includes lamellar, woven, fibrous, dentine, and cement. Classification of bones according to shape. This is our today's topic. First are the long bones. Long bones has elongated shaft called diaphysis and 2 expanded end called epiphysis, which are smooth and articular. The shaft typically has 3 surfaces separated by 3 borders. It has a central medullary cavity and a nutrient foramen directed away from the growing end. Long bones are further of 3 types: typical long bone, miniature or short long bone, modified long bone. First comes the typical long bones. Example of typical long bones includes humerus, radius, ulna, femur, tibia, and fibula. Typical long bones are with 2 secondary epiphyses. This is humerus, which is an example of typical long bone. As you can see, epiphysis. This is the diaphysis. Okay. Now comes miniature or short long bones. Miniature or short long bones. These have only one epiphysis. Examples are metacarpals and phalanges. Now comes the modified long bones. These have no medullary cavity such as clavicle. This is an example of short long bone. Short long bone which were what? Metacarpals. These are the metacarpals, phalanges, and this is a modified long bone. Which was the modified long bone? Clavicle. Next is short bones. Their shape is usually cuboid, like cube, or scaphoid, boat shape. For example, tarsals, carpals. Next is the flat bones. Resemble shallow plate and forms boundaries of certain body cavities. Example, bones in the vault of skull, sternum, ribs, and scapula. Now comes irregular bones. Example, hip bone and bones in the base of skull. Example, sphenoid, first and second cervical vertebra. Now, pneumatic bones. Certain irregular bones contain large air spaces lined by epithelium. Example, maxilla, sphenoid, ethmoid. They make the skull light in the weight, helps in resonance of the voice, and air conditioning chambers for the inspired air. Example of short bones was carpal. So these are the carpals. Next in these classification are sesamoid bones. These are bony nodules found embedded in tendon or joint capsules. They have no periosteum and ossify surface. At the surface of contact are covered with hyaline cartilage and lubricated by bursa or synovial membrane. Examples: patella in the tendon of quadriceps femoris, pisiform in the tendon of flexure carpi ulnaris, fibula flabella in the tendon of lateral head of gastrocnemius, rider's bone developed in the tendon of adductor longus in professional. Functions of sesamoid bones: to resist pressure, to minimize friction, to alter direction of pull of muscle, and to maintain the local circulation. This is a sesamoid bone, patella. Last bone in this classification are accessory or supernumerary bones. Are not always present. They may occur as ununited epiphyses developed from extra centers of ossification. Example: sutural bones of skulls, cervical ribs, lumbar ribs. The structural Womerian bone is mostly seen in the region of lambda. They can be present at Asterian and Pterian as well. Such bones are common in hydrocephalic skulls. In medico-legal practice, accessory bones may be mistaken for fractures. However, these are often bilateral and have smooth surface without any callus. This is sutural bone or Womerian bone is skin. This. Thank you everyone for listening this video, and if you truly understand something, then do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.